step into the Kia 2019 Niro EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and climate-controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.